I really have to admit, I don't know if it gets any more Miami than this. Check out my man's outfit. He's got the cigar, he's about to take the selfie in front of the boat to show everybody that he is living the dream. My man, live it up. Welcome back, guys, to the greatest show on earth. That is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats. It's another Wavy Guru production. If you can't tell, we're back down here at 79. The other part of this picture that makes things real is my man's kind of struggling to get the boat in the water. He's done a little bit of a 79th Street wobble, and we're still not in. And the saga continues as these guys try and get this thing in the water, and our crew kind of onlooks. This has to be a new boating group. When I say new boating group, the guy who is driving this truck, I believe it's his boat. I really do. But I believe they are new boaters because they are awfully excited about this, and things just aren't going easy. They've struggled backing it down. Right here, my man's like, yeah, I'll get on, but yeah, it's not close enough for me to get on. It's been just a kind of an interesting scene to watch this unfold. And all my man's thinking about right here is, I just want to get on the boat, bro. I need some selfies on the boat for the gram. And I believe this is going to be the boat owner, my man on the dock, just spinning his hand like, turn the wheel. So our captain here is going to come check out the situation to determine what really needs to be done. I can see what's going on in his head right now. Bruh, you can make that jump. Go for it. And our guy's like, no, you're going to have to straighten that one out, man. Just put somebody on the tongue of the trailer and get somebody in the boat. Let's back it off. Let's get this day started. And we've got a little bit of a wild set. Whoa! And here comes our guy off. And he forgot to tie the line off onto the boat. Oh, no. I do believe this crew is having an issue. I shouldn't say that. I'm pretty sure they are now having an issue. I don't believe this boat has a forward drive gear. Something's gone wrong while they were out on the water, and we've only got reverse. But when the gentleman was jumping off, I believe he probably was supposed to have the line attached to the boat so they could actually get this thing stopped. But we missed that opportunity, and we're going to have to go for opportunity number 2. And let's see how our captain does packing this thing in with only reverse. And if you look at the trees in the background, you'll see it's actually a pretty windy day down here at 79th too, so he's got a lot of things going against him. But he is taking the slow and easy approach, which is about the only way you can do this when things are going this wrong. He's coming in, and our cap looks pretty good so far. Throwing some hand signals and some gestures. Hey, get back here and get ready to catch me. I mean, he's even killed the motor before he's hit the dock. So we're just kind of letting this one slide. But it's funny, when you look back, this guy was halfway down the dock. I don't know what he was thinking. Maybe he was thinking, hey, I got off this boat that was broken and I'm out of here. But he's got the line to the cap, and we're going to get this one tied off safely. But that could have been a nuts situation here. With only reverse, this is kind of a tight area as well. Here comes our crew heading into the dock, getting ready to pull out for the day. So I will notice immediately we've got our fenders out to the wrong side, to the dock they're approaching, but I don't think they really care that much. But they've got another obstacle up here. There's a jet ski. Cap's gonna blow the horn a couple times to alert that he's coming in, but there's a jet ski on this dock. And after watching this jet ski run around a little bit earlier, I don't believe this guy's got reverse. Oh, and he started. These two are on a collision course. Our boat's going to back up, and I don't believe this ski has reverse. I don't believe he had the ability to go into reverse. Cap's not happy, though. Oh, man. But you never know. I mean, you always got to watch out for everybody else. And Cap, that's... in theory, the ski was there first. Cap's going to come in, and let's see if he's flustered after this event, if he's going to be able to get off. And it looks like we're good. We've got one man on, and hopefully the second off shortly. And this crew's just coming a little too wide. There's another boat and trailer over on the other dock here, and they just have the wrong approach angle, but I'm hoping they can get this one figured out. going to go for the extreme 79th Street wobble here, that's for sure. It's going to have to pull this one back forward to get it a little bit more to the correct angle, and there we go. Our guy might be able to correct this one here. But we're going to go for the extreme wobble. I mean, we're going to pretend this is just some S-turns on a mountain road and basically just let this thing slide. Pulled that one back a little too early, so we're going to have to come back with an extreme turn again to get it back to right. I mean, he's getting it in though, so I can't say a whole lot here. It's a different approach angle, but if he's getting the job done, sometimes whatever it takes to get it done is what you got to do down at the boat ramp. So our crew's gotten this boat in. Wifey's now holding the lines, and we're going to finish the backup in, and she's going to go ahead and take this boat off the trailer. She looks like she's struggling a little bit, but she's got it. It's under control. Oh, now one of the lines is caught on the pole. Our cap's out there running down. Oh, wifey's like, no, get back in the truck. It just took you 15 minutes to back this down. You're going to be gone for 45 minutes trying to park. I've got this part. You go do you. Oh, man. I love how tempers flare. She's still barking orders at him. Tempers always flare at the boat ramp. It's really funny how this one goes. Family and boating do mix well. Family and boat ramps, for whatever reason, don't. I'm scratching my head right now watching this one. So this is a 30-foot boat with twin inboard engines sitting on a triple axle trailer, being towed by what appears to be a Jeep Grand Cherokee. I don't have the specs in front of me of what this boat weighs, including the trailer. And I don't have the towing capacity of a Grand Cherokee in front of me either, but I have a feeling these numbers don't add up. Let's see how they do. I mean, it's making it move, I guess, but man, this is still crazy to watch. Oh, the Cherokee's sliding now. That rear tire was locked up, but the Cherokee was sliding down the ramp. This is what happens when you're significantly overweighted to your tow vehicle. And this is something that is absolutely illegal in boating. I'm kind of watching everything that's going on, and I believe this vessel is pulling back into the marina to drop off one person. Yep, that means somebody got invited out on the boat that couldn't make it the whole day, and we had to come back just for this one person to get off. And that is illegal in boating worlds. Please don't do that. I mean, this crew doesn't seem too fazed by it. I'm assuming this is a charter, but in normal circumstances, if your friend invites you out on the boat, you don't ask when we're coming back, and you don't say, yeah, I'll go, but I gotta be back by 2. If that's the case, you just don't go. Well, but this crew's back on their way, and we're going to be on our way as well. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, be sure to check out our other channels. We have Wavy Boats, who gets a bunch of great images over at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, we do some great comedy boating videos as well. And our other channel, Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet in Miami, Florida. And if you haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.